Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you use Threads. So first of all, make sure that you have installed Threads app and you have connected to your account. And if you have connected to your account, just go to your Threads app. After opening the Threads app, you will see the thread that people post whom you might follow or you don't. You can just give a like here, or you can just comment it like this, or you can just send it to anyone. Now click the bottom second option here, search icon. After clicking this icon, you can see who used Threads app, and you can also follow them by just clicking this follow icon. Now just click the bottom third icon, the middle one. By clicking this icon, you can start a thread, and you can also add photos or videos by clicking this icon from your gallery. Now click the bottom fourth icon, the love icon. By clicking this icon, you will see your followers and whom you following. By clicking the bottom last icon, you will see your profile page. From here, you can just edit your profile. So guys, that's how you can use Threads. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.